Hello there, and welcome to another training video from Success Martial Arts. Today we are doing some of our Kali curriculum. So we are going to be working on our closed flow number 1, which is our basic 6 count. So grab your 2 sticks and let's get to work. Here we go. Working on the high strikes with our basic 6 count. So I'm going to have my blue stick in my right hand, my green stick in my left hand. So you're going to be doing everything I'm doing. So we're going to start out with our right hand. This side of our body here is going to go right on the top of our right shoulder. The left stick is going to tuck underneath on the right side of the body as well. So we're going to start with our right leg in front. So we just got a slight staggering in our feet, right? Right foot in front, left foot behind us. So again, these are all the high strikes with this one. So first thing we're going to do is we always start with the top hand. We're going to bring that stick out and we're going to give a high strike that's at about our head level, kind of our temple area. Then that strike is going to go across our body to the other side shoulder. Then our left stick is going to go. It's going to come out from underneath. It's going to hit to about the same target as the other hand, right to the head, that temple area. Then I'm going to flip that stick over and bring it onto my arm on the other side. Then my right stick is going to go again. We're going to extend back out, hitting the other side of the head, and then we're going to go underneath the arm. And then this is where we would switch our feet. So my left foot is going to step up, right foot is going to step back. Notice my body doesn't turn a whole lot, okay? Now we go the other direction. So this time, starting with our left hand, since it's on top, we're going to extend that strike out, hitting the top area, going for about the head, the temple area. Then it's going to go across my body, going on top of the other shoulder. Then my right hand is going to come out, hitting towards the head, the temple area, flips over so my palm is facing up, and it's going to come back onto that arm. And then my left hand goes back out, hitting the other side of the head, and then tucks back underneath. And then once again, we switch our feet up with the right foot first, back with the left foot. Now we're right back where we started. So again, this is called our 6 count because there's 6 strikes to get back where we started. So here we go. Going to go through it a little bit smoother one more time. Ready? And we go right hand first. We go high strike. Then we bring it over. Then left hand, we go high strike. Flip it, bring it over. And then one more time with that right hand, coming back out, high strike. And then we go under. Flipping our feet, step up with the left, step back with the right. Then we go the other way. High strike, over. Now the left hand, high strike, over. Then our left hand one more time, high strike, under. Then we go step up, step back. Now that we got the basics of that pattern down, now we want to try to go a little smoother with it. So as we're going, we're going to make the striking smoother. So instead of just going over and then once this one stops, then the other one goes, and then when it stops, the other one goes. We want to connect our strikes together. So while one is leaving, the other one is going. While one is retracting, the other one is attacking, right? So that we're steadily keeping our strikes going. So we're constantly on offense with this. We also want to make our footwork smoother. So instead of like in that basic video when we did the 1 strike, 2 strike, 3 strike, and then finish all of them and then switching our feet, now we want to put it all together. We want to start moving smoothly with everything connected. So we're going to start out the same way we did in the last section. So right hand on top of the right shoulder, left hand underneath. Got our right foot in front, our left foot behind. So again, this is our basic V step that we do in class a lot, where we're stepping up, stepping back. And again, it's like there's a V on the ground here, right? So my back foot is at the bottom of the V, my top foot is at the kind of top of one of the legs. So then when I switch, I'm stepping up to the other side of the V and then bringing that other foot to the back of it. So I'm kind of moving a little bit sideways as I'm doing this, but I'm not really turning my body a whole lot as I'm doing this, because now I wouldn't be on that V. So let's get set up. Sticks on the right side of our body. Get into that one side of the V here. So now going nice and slow, but we're going to connect everything, be a little smoother. So first off, we do our right hand strike high. So we extend it, nice and high strike here. Now, as this one is going over to the other shoulder, my left hand is going to be moving with it. So when this arm touches the shoulder, this arm is hitting the target. Same thing now, as this one flips over and starts to come back, my right hand is going to be attacking as I'm stepping. So my step, my strike, and my touch on the arm should be at the same time. Now, as I bring this stick under, my left hand is starting the strike to the high end as my foot is stepping back to finish that V step. Now, on its way over, the right hand comes out, gets that good strike. My feet are just staying where they are. Then as this one is flipping, this one starts to move out as my step starts to get to the high part of the V. This one's going under while this foot's stepping, while this hand is striking. Then same thing, this one's going over, this one is coming out and striking, my feet stay where they are. Now, first step with the strike, going over, going out as I step, and then under as I go over while I step. Same thing, continuing back the other way. Second strike on this side is no footwork. Then this one's going over while this one is stepping. Now this one's going back as this one is striking, and my left hand is going under. So that is connecting it all nice and smooth together, connecting my step with my strikes. Let's do it one more time, each direction, keeping it nice and smooth. Here we go, setting it up, and we're gonna go 1, 2, step 3, step 4, step, or no, step 5, and then step on 6, and then we'd finish the step as we got back to 1. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1.